Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add captions to figures and tables in Microsoft Word. Whether you're writing a report, a thesis, or a research paper, captioning your visuals the right way makes everything more organized and professional. So without wasting time, let's get started. So maybe you're dealing with a proposal or a thesis or a report, and you have many figures that you need to write to caption so that you come up with a good and organized table of figures. What you do is you'll go up here on these tabs, then you go and click on references like this. Then you will hover your cursor to a section where you want to label. So let's say, for example, I have this figure that I want to caption so that when I go to insert my tables of figures, I'll just do it automatically. So what you do is you will click here down your figure at the end of your figure down there. Then you go to this section that says insert caption. Once you click on it like that, you will select the caption section is here. You go ahead and you have these options here. You can now select, you see you have equation, figures, and tables. But for this is a figure, you will select figure like that. Then you go ahead and click here. Then you can insert the caption. But before you do that, you can also do some settings here. You can customize your settings here by clicking on numbers. Then you can change the figures the way you want them to appear. Like for example, this one is giving us just using the normal Arabic number. But if you want to use figure A, B, C, and D like that, you can also use the Roman numerals, or you can use these vowels to configure your figures there, and then you have also the Arabics here. Then from there, you can also go ahead and pick and select here. You can include the chapter number. If you're working with a thesis and you have chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, you can still change here and maybe put it header 1 or header 2 based on the chapters that you want to work with. Once you're done, you can go back now, then you can just click OK after customizing on that section. But now here I want to show you the shortcut that you can use. But you can so here you just use the shift, enter the semicolon, then enter the figure that the caption that you want to put there, then you click OK. So once you click OK, you can see this one is figure 1. You can highlight the whole figure like that, go back to home tab, then remove the italics. If you want, you can bold it, but make sure it's Times New Roman. Then the font size is 12 like that. Then make sure you give it an automatic black color like that. So simple. So you can see every time I move my cursor and click on this figure name, you can see it highlights that number. So that is how simply you can do it by just following that process. So make sure you practice along to make sure that you caption your figures well. So this figure is captioned very well. So let us go ahead and also do for this table. So the figures you caption down there, but the tables you have to caption on top. So what you do, you just follow the same process. You just come here, then you go to references like that, then click insert caption like that. But in this time now, you select the table. You select the table. I have also shown you if you're working with chapter numbers, you use this option. Click on numbering, include chapter numbers. Then you can pick the chapter numbers that you want to include. You can also change this using the semicolon, the colon, the hyphen, the period, and all that, so that you, based on the way your format is, you can set your thing. Now go ahead and put a semicolon there, and then say like for example, you want to caption this table, so you can say it shows the effect of the reaction. So we just come here, and then you write in there the name of the figure that you want to caption. So let's delete this, then Control V, then boom, here you have your tables captioned. Then make sure you also put it in Times New Roman black, then font size is 12 like that. Now to show that you have captioned your figures and tables and they are working very well, you can go up where you want to put your to insert the table of content or to insert the configuration, what we call the table of figures. You just click anywhere up there on your thesis or your proposal where you want to insert it. Then you'll go up and you see this section that says insert table of figures. Click on it. Then you can pick, is it tables or figures? Then if it's tables or figures, you just click OK like that. Then one table will appear here. Then those are the tables that you have. So you'll say you have tables of figures. If you're working with, let me click Control Z to undo. If you're working with the figures, you just still go back here, click on it like that. Then, but this section, you go ahead and select the figures, then click on figures. Then you can see figure 1. It's on page 2 of this document appearing here. Then you can caption your figures up here. So that is how you can do it easily. Just simple, clear, and I hope this video have really helped you. So you can also make sure that you practice along to make sure that your work appears well arranged and it's automatic. So Microsoft Word automatically numbers your captions in the correct order. So even if you add a new figure in between, the Word will update all your caption numbers automatically. So you just, if you want to click on updates, you just go ahead. If you want to add another figure, you just, let's say for example, you have another figure down here, you just go down there, then click on the insert caption, then automatically it will give you table 2, or it will still give you figure 2 because you're going for the second figure. Then once you have done customizing your figures, you just go back and then click on this section. Then you can update the figures. You can see this update tables of figures. Then once you click on it, it will automatically update. And that is it. Now you know how to add and format captions for your figures and tables in Word. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.